Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today guys, on Mama Bui's menu, I'm going to show you how to blanch broccoli. You might be wondering, what is blanching? Blanching is a cooking method often used with vegetables. Vegetables are cooked for a short time either in boiling water or with steam and then immediately cooled in an ice water bath. So guys, let's get started. So this is what you're going to need, guys. Fill a large bowl with cold water and few ice cubes. You are also going to need kosher salt and 1 pound of broccoli florets. First things first, bring a large cold water to a boil. Once the water has begun to boil, add about 1.5 tablespoons of salt to the water and broccoli. Cook the broccoli for 2 to 3 minutes depending on the size of the florets, and make sure they are completely submerged. After 3 minutes, with a slotted spoon or spider strainer, remove the broccoli and immediately plunge into the ice water, and this is called choking. This will halt the cooking process and keep the broccoli super bright green and crunchy. After 30 seconds to a minute, scoop out the ice and drain in the colander. Keep in mind guys, blanching broccoli for longer than 2 minutes will cause vegetables color to fade and create a soft mushy texture. There are so many ways you can do with blanched broccoli. You can reheat it for 1 to 2 minutes when incorporating it into other dishes, or you can freeze it in an airtight plastic bag for later use, or serve it the way it is with your favorite salad dressing. I hope you enjoyed this video guys. Leave a comment, subscribe, share. Until next time guys, bye. Honey for my honey, bye my honey.